So here's PixVerse app, PixVerse AI, pretty good new AI video generator. So yeah, new trending app. So definitely give it a try. So yeah, you can just create effects with it and create videos, basically transform your photos into videos. And then yeah, here's how it looks like. You just go into the app, and then basically you see all the different templates in here. You can see different modes like photo to video. Just upload photo and then you can make video. Then you can do video extend. So just if you upload video, you can just extend it. And you have text to video. So you can just enter prompt to generate video. Just so that's basically around. And then you're just entering it here. And then you just should have it generated. So in the top right, you have your subscription. Basic initial credits is 90, daily or new credits 60. And then you will have watermark and you can buy additional. So just 0 per month. You can also do like 10 months or yearly $96 or pro, where you can just get a lot of these credits. And then here, yeah, you see notification. So basically, let's see. So yeah, this is the video you can get out of it. Quite cool, right? I mean, like these AI video models are not that good usually with like people and animals, especially with like legs and hands. But here you can see seems kind of okay. I'm not sure about it. But yeah, this is what you can just generate. This is like short vertical clips. Quite impressive. And I'm doing it for free. So seems this, there are all these like AI video models like Sora and all of this. Maybe they're just using some kind of Chinese model, which are really, really good Chinese video models. So yeah, try it out. Quite a good app. It's in the top charts. There were a lot of these apps like Wombo AI or something where you could generate and transform your photo into a video, and then they were not that good and not that great. But this one is actually becoming quite good. So try it out.